Social media management versus social media marketing. Hi, and welcome to today's edition of the Social Media Management and Marketing Masterclass. My name is Ima Immaculate Uchechi, and today we'll be talking about the difference between social media management and social media marketing. Social media management and marketing are different but related fields of digital marketing, and it is very important that you understand the difference between these two concepts, because not understanding the difference between them is most probably the reason why no matter what you do, you just might not get any clients for your social media management and marketing business, or may not be able to make sales if you manage the social media management or marketing aspect of your business. So let's get into the video.
The difference between social media management and social media marketing. We are going to look at these concepts in 6 different ways. We're going to look at the difference between social media management and social media marketing in 6 ways. We're going to look at it in terms of objectives, in terms of content creation, in terms of paid advertising, and audience engagement, in terms of analytics and reporting, and also strategy development. So let's start with objectives. Now, your objective as a social media manager, or if you are into social media management, your focus is on the day-to-day activities of maintaining and growing a brand's online presence. Like I said earlier, using the offline analogy, your business is to come in at any activity that is going to show that our shop is open today. We are selling today. You people should come and buy. That is your job as a social media manager. The primary objective is to manage and engage with existing audience, build a community, and maintain positive online reputation. But on the other hand, social media marketing, the primary goal of social media marketing is to use social media platforms to promote products, services, brands, and achieve specific marketing business objectives. So your job is to market, to bring sales as a social media marketer. It often involves paid advertising. Content creation and campaigns are usually aimed at increasing sales. So with social media marketing, you don't just create content, you are creating content specifically for marketing. Those of you that are watching this training from my EWYL community, 90% of you came in from ads that I have run. So all of the marketing campaigns, all of that particular post that brought you into the community, it is not just a management post, it is a marketing post. I paid extra money for all of you to see those ads. So that is the marketing aspect of my business, right? The managing aspect is saying, I'm around, I'm available. I could have just posted it and left it on my wall without paying an extra money for Facebook to push it to all of you to see. So if I had not paid that extra money, what I have just maintained is the management aspect. But paying that extra money to bring, that is lead generation, to bring you all into the community, I have gone ahead to do what? To market. Content creation. In terms of content creation, social media managers are responsible for creating and curating content that maintains a consistent online presence, engages with the audience, and fosters relationships. So your job as a social media manager when you are creating content is just to create content that says, we are open today, or we are open for business, come and buy. And then content again that says, we are the best at the things that we do. These are the things that we do, and we do well at it. Content that make us stand out as authority in whatever business that we are in. Content that make us like have a mutual and understanding relationship with our audience. Those are the kind of content that you create for as a social media manager. Your focus as a social media manager is on community building and brand representation. So you are just representing the brand. But when it comes to social media marketing, content creation is designed to achieve specific marketing goals. So when you are creating content for social media marketing, you are creating content that says, I want 50 people to be in my community tomorrow. What kind of content do I create to make them come in? I want 50 people to buy my products tomorrow. What kind of content do I create to make them come in? That is the job of a social media marketer that is creating content. So the focus of content creation for social media marketing is on promotion and marketing. Going forward, paid advertising. So, like I said, when it comes to paid advertising, nothing concerns social media management. Okay, so in terms of paid advertising, you have no business with a social media manager. So when you go, this is why if you miss this introductory aspect of social media management or social media marketing, believe me, you are going to flop in your social media business. You are going to flop. Either you are managing your own business on social media, or you are managing for a brand. You are not going to last up to a month with any brand if you don't understand this concept. Because if you go to pitch to them to say, let me help you put your business on social media, I promise you, you're going to get sales, you're going to do this. Make all of those promises because you've heard that people make money on social media. And then at the end of the day, all you do is management, because of course there is no extra money that has been given to you for marketing, or you don't even know how marketing is done, but you are good with management. You keep managing the social media pages, no ROI, no sales, no conversion. They will come for you. They will end the contract with you. So this is basically the problem. For some of you that are already, selling things on social media, selling data, selling clothes, selling perfumes, and all of that. I'm sure you've been on social media for so many years, carrying your kaya on your head. Nobody is buying. Today you get one sale, tomorrow you get another sale, and you are wondering, why are you not making sales? You're probably not making sales because there is a high chance that all you have been doing is to be managing your business on social media. You have not been marketing your business on social media. So there is a difference between management and marketing. So if you have not started making cautious payments for advertising on social media, believe me, you are not going to make sales. You are not. It is why you've not been making sales, because you've not been marketing. You might think that what you've been doing is marketing, but no, you've not been marketing. You've only been managing your business on social media, and that is not going to bring sales until you begin to pay for advertising. So social media management typically does not involve paid advertising. On the other hand, paid advertising is a prominent part of social media marketing. As a matter of fact, social media paid advertising is the major aspect of social media marketing. You cannot market without payment. You cannot. It's not even possible. So you have to pay. You have to pay extra money for marketing, right? Social media management centers on organic strategies, including content scheduling, engagement, and community management. So with social media management, you are just marketing organically. Like I gave you the shop analogy, you are just opening your shop, putting beautiful things that will attract anybody walking around to come into your shop, but you have not gone out to actually look for customers. That is what social media management is. Marketers or social media marketers use paid ads to reach a broad audience, target specific demographics and interests to achieve marketing objectives. All of the social media platforms have their paid marketing ad aspect, all of them. And to be honest, except you begin to pay for this marketing, if you're going to just continue to shout, come and buy, come and buy, come and buy in the tiny corner that WhatsApp or Facebook has given you, for instance, you are not going to make headway with your social media business. Okay, so we are getting into audience management, audience engagement rather. Audience engagement in social media management focuses on building and maintaining relationship with the community. For it is assumed that there is already a community, so just continue building relationship with them. When an old customer comes, you say, welcome. When a new customer comes, you say, welcome, but you are not going out. You're not going out of your way. You're just making the people that are coming be comfortable. Social media managers respond to comments, foster discussions, and address general inquiries, aiming to create a loyal following. On the other hand, Audience engagement for social media marketing involves responding to inquiries related to product, services, and promoting marketing campaigns. I see a lot of people that when they place ads, people are in the comment section saying, I'm interested, asking how much, asking if you do delivery, asking a whole lot of questions, and nobody is there to respond. You are leaving money on the table, right? Now, this is even a job that you can pitch to say, let me help you grow the audience engagement of your brand. This is the problem I have seen. I see that you don't have the time to do this. Let me help you do it. For social media marketing, audience engagement focuses on encouraging user actions like making a purchase. So for engagement in terms of social media marketing, the marketer invariably forces you to buy. So all of the engagement that goes on with social media marketing is like, this product is actually a very good product. It has this, it has that. This is what it does. This is what it doesn't do. You're going to like it and blah. That is the goal. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to analytics, right? Social media managers analyze data and metric. And the data that is being analyzed for social media management is engagement metrics, right? And then growth, yes, community growth and brand awareness. Basically, this is what you analyze for social media management. The emphasis is on maintaining a positive presence and improving community interactions. But on the other hand, for marketers, analyzing data and metrics has to do with sales. How many sales did we make? How many leads did we generate? These are the things you analyze. What is the click-through rate for this post? What is the conversion rate? How many sales have we made? This is what you analyze. For strategy development, when it comes to social media management, you develop strategies based on community building, consistent brand image, and maintaining online presence. Basically, just to maintain online presence, just to post, check comments, reply to comments, reply to DM inquiries, create content. But then everything there has to be strategic. And it is when this strategy, it is building this strategy and making them come to life that consumes time. So what it means is that as a social media manager, basically, you are saving time for whoever it is you are managing the business for, because they probably would have been able to do these things themselves, or maybe they don't know they also do not know how to do it anyway. But there is no the work in social media management is time consuming. It's time consuming, right? And that is why we use sometimes paid tools to help us, streamline and save those times. The strategy for social media management are more about ongoing engagement and then content scheduling, like scheduling your posts. Social media marketers develop strategies that are closely tied to marketing objectives and campaigns. So these strategies guide advertising and promotional efforts. Now, here is the funny thing that a lot of people also fail to understand. When you talk about the services for social media management and for social media marketing, they are basically centered around all of these 6 things we've talked with, or 5 things we've spoken about, of the, content creation, analytics report, audience engagement, strategy development. This is just basically it, right? So it is very important that you understand each of these aspects. Many people, they just go ahead to learn social media management, and then maybe when they go out there to pitch for job, and people tell them that they want sales and blah blah blah, they don't say, no, I am only out to manage your social media platform. These are the things I can do for you. They don't. They collect everything, and at the end of the day, they are not getting results. Also, for people that are also managing their own business on social media, they don't know the difference. So until you know how to take away social media management from social media marketing, master each of the skill, I'm telling you, you will begin to make massive money on social media, because take it from somebody who earns at least $100 per client on social media. That is for people I work for, not even minus my own product sales, right? That there's a lot of money on social media. But the problem is a lot of people who have decided to start up social media business, they don't know the difference between these two concepts.
So now that you know the difference between social media management and social media marketing, would you want to get started with your social media management business today? I have something for you. How about I take your hand and walk you through exactly how you can begin your social media business before the end of 2023. One major reason why you find it difficult making headway with your social media business journey is because you focus on irrelevant things. You think that the only time you can make it on social media is when you get popular, or when you get thousands of followers, when you have not even acquired the needed professional knowledge to help you excel in this field, which is exactly what I am offering you in my social media management for beginners blueprint. The truth is, the only thing hindering you from getting started with your social media business is that you are not good enough. You have not acquired the right training to help you excel in this career path, which is why I am offering you the exact knowledge that you need to start today and start right. Are you ready to kickstart your social media business career today? Simply hit on the link in the description to get started. Can't wait to see you inside.